Hey, got a special treat today. Guess what we're hunting for? Yeah, I know, cereal toys, right? Go figure. Well, hey, look. So these have hit the Phoenix area. These are the two that I've been able to find. This one was Safeway. This one was Fry's. But we're gonna open these all up and we're gonna see which figures we get. If you can see that on the camera. All right, so which one should we do first? Let's have a show of hands. Should we do the Lucky Charms or should we do the Cinnamon Toast Crunch? Show of hands. I do have an audience member here.
Ha ha ha.
Okay, which one do you, so I asked my lovely assistant which one she would like us to start with.
Let's do Lucky Charms.
Okay, so we're gonna start with Lucky Charms. Are you ready? Now I collect the boxes too, so I have a specific way that I open the boxes is not to wreck them. I just use my knife and I just gently pry it open. So here we go for box number 1. Let's see, I can't remember if they're in the cereal bag or if they're in the box. Oh, they're in the box. All right, so let's see. Box number 1, what did we get? We got Chip the Skeleton on box number 1. Can you see that? It's hard to see. All right, I'll turn this box around. Okay, so next, put this off to the side. We'll do Cinnamon Toast Crunch box number 2. Let's see, who do we get? Ready? Ta-da! Oh, not bad. Not bad. And I got, let's see, Lucky the Astronaut. Can you see that? All right, not bad for round 2. So we'll put this over here. Put this over here. We'll go back to Lucky Charms. Let's see what we get. And if you look, I kind of keep the box from getting all wrecked up when I use my knife like that. And then I fold these boxes flat and I put some weight on them. So with all my cereal boxes, they fit nicely on my bookshelf. All right, you ready? Lucky Charms, let's hope it's not a dupe. No dupes, no dupes. Oh, guess what? Yeah, I got Count Chocula. Check it out. This is one of the rare ones. This is one of the rare ones. So this guy, Count Chocula, is 1 in a 10 chance of getting him. So pretty cool. I'm excited. So no duplicates yet. Or should I say whammies? No whammies yet. Dupes. No dupes. Okay, we're going to go over to Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And by the way, I don't eat this cereal. I end up giving it to the younger folks in my family. Give it to my kids. They'll eat the cereal. All right, you ready? No dupes, no dupes, no dupes. Oh, okay, well, not bad. I got another Count Chocula.
Wow.
That's got to be worth something to trade in case I end up getting, if I don't get them all. All right, so 2 Count Choculas. I really want that, the Frankenberry one. The Frankenberry monster. That would be really cool. Okay, back to Lucky Charms. Okay, come on, no dupes, no dupes. And I want the Frankenberry one. Frankenberry, come on, Frankenberry. Oh, I got the Boo Berry, and the Boo Berry is 1 in 25 chance. Yeah. Well, not bad. That'd be nice if I could get all three of these guys. All right, let's put that guy there. Put the cereal away. Sure, I will have some cereal. Oh, and in case you guys didn't notice, I have my blueberry shirt on today. Okay, you ready? Let's do this one. Maybe we'll get lucky. Frankenberry, because it'd be nice to get the hard ones out of the way, because I always hate having to resort to eBay. Okay, ready? Frankenberry. Another dupe, but it's Chip the Skeleton, so not too bad. So we got two of those. We got two of those. And one of those each. So, yeah, not bad. Still not bad, though. All right. Let me do this. This. Put that in here. Okay. Seems like we're having our best luck with Lucky Charms. I find butter knives don't work as well when trying to open up the boxes, so I use my sharp knife. So, got a little piece off, but still, see, it looks pretty clean. All right. Okay. Come on, big money, big money, big money, big money, big money, big money. Okay, you ready? Ready? Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, right on. Trix, the superhero. Trix the superhero. So, not bad. We only got 2 dupes. All right. Nice. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Okay, here we go. Back to Cinnamon Toast Crunch. But first, let's take a break. And I'll come back in a minute. All right. Well, this is going good. I'm pretty excited. Are you excited? Are you excited?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, I know. This is fun, right? This is better than gambling. Well, I don't know. I think it's better than gambling because I get something at the end
Yes.
rather than losing my wallet,
Yes.
right? Okay. Cool. All right. So you ready to get back at it? Because I think maybe Dexter is. How about Moxie? Mox! Okay.
He's napping.
All right, let's get back at it. Okay, we're back. Just had to take a little break. We've got, 5 boxes left. Next one up, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. We're hoping for big money. No dupes. And we really want the Frankenberry. The Frankenberry being the hardest one to get. Okay, fingers crossed. Let's go. You ready? Ready? Here we go. Okay, Trix the Rabbit, superhero. All right, so we got 2 of those. I'm not upset. I really want that Frankenberry, right? All right, here we go. On to Lucky Charms. Let's see what we get. Okay, you ready? Ready for this? Come on, I really want Frankenberry. Come on, come on. Oh, not bad. We've got Buzz the Bat. So he's dressed up as a bat. It's hard to see. You can see from the back his wings. So not bad. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We only need another 2. Cereal pile's getting kind of large over here. Okay, back to Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Okay, big money. Okay, got another dupe, not bad. Like to trade. So hit me up if you want to trade. We can do that. Okay, last Lucky Charm box, and the Lucky Charm boxes seem to be the luckiest. And we'll see what we get. Okay, come on, good luck. Oh, not bad, not bad. Okay, well, what is his costume? Cinemoji the pumpkin. Cinemoji the pumpkin. So, is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? What are we missing? Oh, we're missing Sonny the Mummy. Sonny the Mummy. Okay, if not, I'll go buy some more boxes and we can do another unboxing. Okay, last box, last box. Let's see what we get. Okay, you ready? Big money. Oh, we got a dupe on that, so not bad. I think we managed pretty well. What do you think?
Yeah.
Anybody want some cereal? Because I just want the toys. Okay, I'm gonna do a close-up. I'll show you guys each one individually. All right, let's just go through the ones that we got. All right, I got 2 of these. This is Cinemoji the pumpkin. Got 2 of these. 2 of these. I'll show you the back. So what they look like on the back. So let's go 2 of those. Okay, the next one we got was Chip the Skeleton. So let's see if I can kind of see he's got a skeleton on the front. It's hard to see. Yeah, there you go. You can see it right there. So we managed to get 2 of those. Count Chocula right here. And if you look closely, you can see he's a 1 in 10 chance. Okay. That's what it looks like from the back. Next up, we got Lucky the Astronaut. That's it from the back. Only got 1 of those. Here's Boo Berry. And the Boo Berry is 1 in 25. You can see that right there. Here he is from the front. From the back. All right. Next up, we got Trix the Superhero. He's got a mask from the back. And then next we've got Buzz the Bat. And here he is from the back. So, pretty cool. I like it. I like cereal stuff. I collect boxes. I got the first set of these that came out earlier this year. I don't know. Just kind of fun. Fun for me. I think it's more fun for my kids because then they get to eat all the cereal. All right, folks. There you go. And if I get more of these boxes, I'll do another unboxing video.